Hello everyone, my name is Amit and currently I am working at a startup in the capacity of digital marketer, independently handling Meta ads, SEO, Google ads and social media management. I have previously worked in human resources for few businesses. As the COVID pandemic was coming towards its end, I began to wonder, what's next for me in terms of my career? This is when I started acquiring knowledge about the field of digital marketing. As I was going through how and where to get started, I came across Quibus Trainings by Paramveer sir in Jaipur. From the first day of joining the course, I knew I had made the right choice. The open interactions in the classroom, the application of theoretical knowledge to the practical situations in real time, and the daily tasks and assignments related to the topics taught in the class has made sure that we got the utmost experience of actual working in the field of digital marketing. Initially, I used to have a lot of doubts, and I made sure to use the doubt solving sessions in an ultimate manner. Paramveer sir is quite approachable in that sense. He'll hear the doubts happily and will guide you in the best possible manner. A personal advice here, do not hesitate to ask questions. Question everything, but with some logic. Our course at Quibus made me learn about the know-hows of Google Ads, search engine optimization, social media marketing, Meta ads, SERP and much more. The teachings by Paramveer sir had a great impact on my learning, which made me more confident towards digital marketing. Overall, I had a skillful experience by enrolling in the course offered by Quibus Trainings. Since I am reviewing after a year, I want to share that my learnings at Quibus have helped me to generate 75% more revenue for my startup and more than 3 times the ROS since the inception of the startup. If you passionately and truthfully want to learn the concepts of digital marketing in the practical approach and want to make a thriving career out of it, then I would like to advocate attending the course by Paramveer sir and Quibus Trainings. Happy learning guys, the door of possibilities is waiting for you. Thank you.